Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make a delicious Mapo Tofu in just 5 minutes. Super simple, super flavorful, and perfect with rice. So let's get started! First, bring a pot of water to a boil, add a teaspoon of salt, and gently drop in your tofu cubes. Let them simmer for about 2 minutes. This helps the tofu stay firm and not break apart. Then we drain them and set aside. Next, we turn on the heat. Heat some oil in a pan. Add the ground pork. And cook until brown and broken up. Like this. Then add chopped green onion, minced ginger, and garlic. My secret is some chipotle peppers. Just a little bit. Next, add a spoonful of chili bean paste. Pour in a little cooking wine. Then add some water. When it's boiling, we can season with some salt, ground Sichuan pepper, and a few drops of dark soy sauce. Okay. Gently add the tofu back in, bring it to a boil, then let it cook for a couple of minutes so it can soak up all the flavor. At the same time, we can make some cornstarch with water, then add it in a pan, gently stirring each time until the sauce thickness. Now we can turn off the heat.